How to use Jira for project management. Hi guys, today we're going to talk about how to use Jira for your project management. Now before we start, what is Jira software? Jira software is a project management tool developed by Atlassian that is designed to help software development teams plan, track, and release software products. It is primarily used for agile project management and provide teams with a variety of features to help them organize and prioritize their work. Jira software allows teams to create user stories, track tasks and bugs, and manage sprints and release. It also provides customizable workflows, project boards, and reports to help teams visualize and communicate their progress. Additionally, Jira software integrates with a variety of other tools commonly used in software development, such as code repositories and continuous integration and deployment tools. Overall, Jira software is a powerful tool that can help software development teams improve their productivity, collaboration, and project management capabilities. Now to begin our tutorial, we're first going to click on the Get Free button over here. And then this will redirect us to this page where it's going to ask us to select a second product, either from Confluence, which is a single source of truth for project requirements, release notes, and documentations, or Jira Service Management, where it empowers dev, IT ops, and business teams to collaborate at a high velocity so they can respond to changes and deliver great services experience. Now you can select any of these options, but I'm going to select Jira Services Management. Then we're going to click on Next. Then this will take us to this page where we can either continue with Google or we could type in our work email. After typing in your work email, we will need to name our site. I'm going to put in the name Coffee World, and then I'm going to click on Agree. After doing that, we will be redirected to this page where it's going to ask us information about ourselves so that it can help customize our Jira experience based on your answer. The first question is, what type of team do you work in? We have the options finance, IT support, marketing, legal, human resources, customer services, and others. We can select one or we can simply click on skip question. And it's also going to ask us what our role is. We can choose from student, product owner, founder, and many more. We're simply going to skip the question once again, and then it's going to ask us what are our main tasks. We could choose from project planning, from code writing, testing, improvisation of workflows, security and data management, and many more. We're once again going to skip this question. Now over here, it's going to ask us if we are new to the Jira software or if we have an experience with it. I'm going to click on I am new to Jira software. I am setting up my Jira for business teams. My team is new to or experienced with agile methodologies. I'm going to click on new to. And then we spend our time working on features, supports, operations, fixing bugs. You can choose any. I'm going to choose features. We have a tight or flexible schedule to finish our work. I'm going to type in flexible, and I recommend that you answer this because you would be able to help Jira software customize your workspace, especially for you and your team. Or if you don't want to answer this, you can simply click on skip. But since we answered it, we're going to click on next. Now over here, we will be able to name our project. I'm going to put our project name as a test project, just like that. And we can select a template over here. The template that we have right now is what we are seeing here on the right, but we can change this by clicking on this option. And we would be able to see here on the left side the different project templates. There are templates for software development, which uses Kanban, Scrum or bug tracking. There's also service management that shows IT service management, general service management, for IT teams, for business teams, customer service, HR service, finance service, and many more. There's also work, marketing, human resources, finance, design, personal, and many other templates. We're going to go back over here. We're going to retype our project name. There's also more options over here where we can change the project type from team management to company managed. Then we're going to click on create. It's going to ask us if we need help to connect on the specific tools over here. But right now we're going to skip this. And now we are finally here at the home page of Jira. Right now we are at the board section under planning, and we can see that we can add issues, which is basically tasks under our board, and we could also group by assignee or subtask. There's also options to manage the workflow, manage custom filters, and configure the board. And right now we're going to add a simple issue right now. I'm going to add the issue edit YouTube video. It's like that. And as you can see, this is our task that is in the to-do list. We can edit this by simply clicking on it, and we will be able to see more information. Now over here, we can add files to our attachment. We could add a child issue. We could link issue. We could add a web link. We could also add apps if we want to. We could add a description for our task. We could also see the activity being done on this task, like a comment or the history. There's also details over here on the right side, like who it is assigned to. We could simply click this to assign it to a person. We could see the labels. If you click this, we would be able to add a label, just like that. We could also see the reporter, the automation, and we would be able to configure our fields. Now, after assigning this task to a team member, they could simply hold click this, and then they would be able to drag it into the progress area. And after finishing this, they would be able to do it to done, and this task or issue would be finally done. And we could also click here to add a column, and we could add a column, for example, with issues, just like that. And then if your team member finds an issue with the task, they could simply drag it over here, and then you as the team leader would be able to see it. Now we could also see here on the left side that not only do we have a board, we also have a roadmap. Now under the roadmap, we can add epics. Epics is like similar to task, but this is for your clients, like the task that your client has for you. For example, design a website, like that. We could click this, and then we can see details on the right. We could add a start date, we could add a due date, labels, reporters, you could see the activities, and many more. You could also click on project pages over here, where you would be able to create a project page. Now up here on the top, we can see that we have a your work, project, filters, dashboard, people, and apps. If you want to integrate different apps for you like Slack, EasyBee, or PowerBee, this will be able to help you organize your project. And if you want to see more apps, you can simply click on explore more apps, and you would be able to use these different apps for your project management. Using different apps would be able to allow you to work more efficient. For example, a timesheet for tracking in Jira, where you will be able to track your progress, and a lot more different apps. You could also click here on the create button, where you would be able to create a project, like for example here, and you can create an issue type. You could also change the status over here from to do, in progress, with issues are done, the summary, the description, the assignee, the labels, the reporter, and many more. And that's it, guys. That's the basic to Jira software. That's how you can easily use Jira, even though you are a beginner, for project management. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.